Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to write a message, email, or social post, you're going to love this. Today, we're talking about Letterly, an AI-powered app that turns your voice into well-written text. Whether you're brainstorming, replying to messages, or organizing ideas, Letterly takes the pressure off typing and lets you focus on your thoughts. Let's check it out. We all know that feeling, staring at a blank screen trying to find the right words while the cursor blinks back at us. Writing can feel like a chore, especially when you're short on time or just not in the mood. That's where Letterly comes in. Instead of typing, you just speak, and it turns your speech into clean, polished content in seconds. Letterly is built to make communication effortless. You can record your voice, and it instantly turns your spoken words into well-written messages, emails, social media posts, journal entries, or even brainstorming notes. No more typos, no more awkward phrasing, just clear, professional writing generated by AI. The app is packed with useful features. It supports over 90 languages, works offline, and syncs between mobile and desktop. You can even use it to refine or rewrite text to better match your tone and style. It's GDPR-compliant and designed to be flexible, whether you're creating content, replying to messages, or organizing your thoughts on the go. Letterly is perfect for content creators, marketers, executives, really anyone who wants to save time and get better at written communication. Just speak naturally and let the AI handle the rest. It's like having a personal writer in your pocket. If you're ready to simplify your writing process, try out Letterly today. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a tech tool that makes life easier. Thanks for watching, and let AI do the writing.